Today, I'll show you how to use Zapier AI features. Zapier is an automation platform that connects your apps and helps you build workflows without coding. Its AI tools can help you create automations, write steps, summarize information, build chatbots, and even create AI agents that complete tasks across different apps. Zapier says it connects AI workflows and agents with thousands of apps, including many AI tools. First, log into your Zapier account. From the dashboard, look for Copilot or the AI assistant. Instead of building a Zap manually, describe what you want in plain English. For example, you can type, "When I receive a new Gmail email with an invoice, save the attachment to Google Drive and send me a Slack message." Zapier AI will suggest the trigger, actions, and app connections. Review each step carefully, connect your accounts, and test the workflow before turning it on. Next, you can use AI inside a Zap. For example, you can add an AI step to summarize a customer message, write an email reply, classify a lead, or extract key details from text. Zapier also offers AI chatbots and agents, which can interact with users or complete tasks automatically across connected apps. Before publishing anything, always test the automation with sample data. Make sure the AI output is accurate, the correct apps are connected, and no private information is sent to the wrong place. Once everything works, turn on the Zap. And that's it. You now know the basics of using Zapier AI features. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.